Today I raced 2000 kilometers around the Netherlands. This is kilometer 1, kilometer 100, kilometer 200, very warm here. Kilometer 300, this is kilometer 400. 500k done. Kilometer 600. Kilometer 700. And I'm already digital shit. Kilometer 800. I just slept for 13 hours. Didn't go quite as planned. 900 done. 1000 kilometers done. Halfway point has been crossed. Still feeling pretty fresh. 1100 kilometers done. 1200 done. 1300 done. 1400 done. Kilometer 1500, day 4. I slept 4 hours last night. Kilometer 1600. I'm about to fall asleep on the bike. Kilometer 1700. 1800k. 1900 done. This is kilometer 1950. I actually lied. It wasn't 2000 kilometers. But now I'll go to sleep.